It'll be us going over.
There's a...
And we're the first ones. Don't go overboard, okay?
Okay. Oh, see, you may have to turn your engine off too.
Okay.
Here we go, Nate.
We're moving. On time 3, so that's the name of the boat. On time 2, on time 3. Don't go overboard. Okay. That is scary. The other boat is gone. Oh, it's still there on the other side, but nobody's going on the boat. That is, we are going over. So it's like 30 seconds. No, almost. Let's say 30, a minute, I think, to cross over.
Probably a couple minutes, I would say.
No, we're already 38 seconds.
Oh,
We're almost
wow.
there. 43. Is there only 2 vehicles? Yeah, only 2 vehicles. Yay! This is fun.
Oh, I went to steer my wheel.
Whoops. Yeah, a minute and 10 seconds. So the other one is off now, I guess.
Yeah, it was probably just so busy.
Yeah. Oh, it was like they get over here, they unload, they come back again. There you go.
Not a very stressful job, eh?
End of the
Oh,
island.
there's a line up over there. Look at those people all waiting.
They're all waiting.
They look it. Just
Your
for the work.
seatbelt.